Get ready for the dictation. Start. We are in the midst of a significant transformation regarding the way we make products thanks to the digitization of manufacturing. This transition is so compelling that it is being called Industry 4.0 to represent the fourth revolution that has occurred in manufacturing. Industry 4.0 is signaling a change in the traditional manufacturing landscape, also known as the fourth industrial revolution. Industry 4.0 encompasses three technological trends driving this transformation: connectivity, intelligence, and flexible automation. From the beginning of civilization, human beings have tried to increase their capacity and power. At first, they were using equipment made of wood or rocks, but with the advancement of science, they explored modern and efficient equipment, and this process is going on. Machines are one of the greatest inventions of humans. Industrial revolutions have a huge impact on our society, and they also affect the world economy. The first industrial revolution came with the advent of mechanization, steam power, and water power. The second industrial revolution revolved around mass production and assembly lines using electricity. The third industrial revolution came with electronic and IT systems and automation. The fourth industrial revolution is associated with cyber physical systems. Industry 4.0 describes the growing trend towards automation and data exchange in technology and processes within the manufacturing industry, including the Internet of Things (IoT), the Industrial Internet of Things (IIoT), cyber physical systems (CPS), smart manufacturing, smart factories, cloud computing, additive manufacturing, big data, robotics, cognitive computing, artificial intelligence, and blockchain, etc. This automation creates a manufacturing system whereby the machines in factories are augmented with wireless connectivity and sensors to monitor and visualize an entire production process and make autonomous decisions. It is further estimated that wireless connectivity and the augmentation of machines will be greatly advanced with the full rollout of 5G. This will provide faster response times, allowing for near real-time communication between systems. The fourth industrial revolution also relates to digital twin technologies. These digital technologies can create virtual versions of real-world installations, processes, and applications. This can then be robustly tested to make cost-effective, decentralized decisions. These virtual copies can then be created in the real world and linked via the Internet of Things, allowing for cyber physical systems to communicate and cooperate with each other and human staff to create a joint up real-time data exchange and automation process for Industry 4.0 manufacturing. When computers were introduced in Industry 3.0, it will disruptive because of addition of an entirely new technology. As Industry 4.0 unfolds, computers are connected and communicated with one another to ultimately make decisions without human involvement. A combination of cyber physical systems, the Internet of Things, and the Internet of Systems make Industry 4.0 possible and the smart factory a reality. As a result of the support of smart machines that keep getting smarter as they get access to more data, our factories will become more efficient and productive and less wasteful. Ultimately, it is the network of these machines that are digitally connected with one another which create and share information that results in the true power of Industry 4.0. Stop.